Welcome to the pre-training section. I'm excited you decided to commit to this 5-day challenge, and this section is all about what I need you to know and understand before we get started. Basically, this portion of the training is to maximize your experience. So I just wanted you to understand that each day we will have the main training accompanied by a free ebook or cheat sheet for each one of the days. And then lastly, you will have homework to show your accountability, that you are learning, taking some form of action, and more importantly, more than anything, I want you to build an ecosystem around you so that you can succeed. On the left of the challenge here are the modules, and then when you click on the green bar for the modules, it will open up individual sections within the module. The rest of this model of pre-training is just to answer a few of the common questions that I get every single day, and so that I can take care of those and dispel them before we even begin. But this is what I want to promise to you. I promise to only give you valuable information that I wish I knew when I first started. I will only show you things that I believe in and know work. Now this is what I want you to commit to. Commit to learning the material. Watch it once or even twice if you need to. Take some notes. Do the homework I give you so you're engaged. And lastly, take massive action after you graduate from this challenge. That's why you always need to learn, create, and earn. If you just sit there and don't do anything with this knowledge, it's useless. So commit to me and continue on if you accept.